for video storytelling. The story name is Ganesha Birthday Day with the Elephant Head. Once upon a time, there lived two gods named Shiva and Parvati. They lived in the mountain named Kailash, and then one fine day, Parvati said Parvati doesn't want to be disturbed by anyone. So she said Nandi to guard the house, and then he did what she said, and then Shiva showed up, and then Nandi said, "You can go in, Lord Shiva." And then he went inside, and Parvati asked, "Hey, how did you come inside?" Nandi was guarding. He said, "It doesn't matter." So then the next day she said it to her friends, and then their friends were saying that you should give a birth to a son or a daughter. Then she's got an idea, and then when she was taking a bath, she had turmeric with her. She builded a statue with it, and then with her powers she made it alive, and then she named him Ganesha, and then they both hugged, and then when Ganesha was playing in the mountain of snow, then Parvati called Ganesha, "Come on," and then he came to her and then said that, "You should mind, I'm going to take a bath. Please don't let anyone to disturb me." So even not anyone, so please don't let them in. He said, "Okay, ma." And then when Shiva again showed up and said, "Let me in to the unknown child," and then he didn't let him this time because it was Ganesha. So he said, no, my mom has said that I should mind." So then he was furious and went back to his court for fort, and then he set his army to kill him, and then Nandi and his army went to kill him. And then what happened? They couldn't, because he was having some powers given by Parvati, and then with Nandi, he took the sword and left it up and down and put it in his dress, and then he ran away with a shout, "Ah!" And then Shiva was furious of Ganesha and his army, because his furious on his army was because they didn't get what he has said. But now he asked Lord Brahma to kill him. With 100 heads, he had hands too. He had hands, so yeah, he had a magical hand. He made so many weapons to kill him, but no one could kill him. He made snake. Guys, snake is poisonous, but it didn't bite. There were so many thousands of snakes. He threw it away with his power and with his hands too, some of the weapons. And then he gave up and went to Shiva's fort, and then now Shiva was furious. He did a dance and opened his third eye, and he took this one sword and put it on his head, threw it on his head, and with a big thud, his head fell down. And Parvati was shaken all of a sudden and said, "What happened?" And then she went outside and full blood body, and then she was crying, "What have you done, Shiva?" And then he said that, but he didn't let me out because I builded him, and by the way, he's our son, it's even your son. And then she said, "How would you do this to your son?" And then he said, "I don't know." And then she said, "I can't forgive you till you fix him back to alive." And then Shiva sent his army to the forest to take some animal heads for his size and for this one. For the size and the fitting one. So let's look at again. And then they first came upon a rabbit. They said, "No, this is too small." What? It is so small. They came upon a giraffe. Its head was too long and Ganesha would be so funny with it. And then next they came upon an elephant, mother and a kid. They cutted the kid head elephant and then they put it on the Ganesha's head and then Shiva made him to alive. And all of the gods gave their blessing to him and then they lived happily ever. And by the way, he even had a mouse friend, the guys. It started to see. So yeah, moral of the story is you shouldn't be angry. Even if you are, you should cool down faster as an ice. So guys, I want to show you something. So guys, now saying a story and a rainbow in truck. So guys, see, you could look at all the colors. You could look green, pink, red, and yeah, blue. Yeah, I could see that rainbow, guys. In the sun, it's awesome. See, its ending point is there and there. So guys, you can listen my stories or everyone's story, but yeah, I like my stories the best because I started reading them, and these stories are made my own. So my father was saying when I was in my childhood, and I got some ideas. Let's do this. Yeah, let's put it instead of that. So yeah, I corrected the mistakes. It has no mistakes in that story, but I want to give it to realistic. So yeah, I gave it up and see guys the moon. Okay guys, like, subscribe and like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, thank you for watching. So bye.